Pencil hardness is a huge factor when we're creating value. Now let's look at this reference photo that I've done. I've got pencil softness here at the top, or I could put hardness. Softness sounds better. I've got H, HB, 2B, and so on, all the way over to an 8B. And why do I do this? Well, I want to find out what my pencils do. Now, I've got an awful lot of pencils here. I don't use all of them, really, I really don't. But I do want to know, if I want a darker pencil, which one should I reach for? So this is a very important reference sheet, and now I'll show you how to do one for yourself. We're going to talk a little bit now about the pencil hardness, and all the pencils that I have in here go from very hard and very light to very soft and very dark. So I find it very helpful to make a reference sheet for yourself. And I would just start with the lightest, put down what your pencils are, what their label is, and just try on each one to go through one time lightly. Go through the second time a little bit harder and go only halfway down. Go through maybe the third time and really darken it so you know what this pencil will do. Okay, let's try another one. And obviously, like I said, I don't use all of them, but I want to know how to use them when I need them. So this makes a great reference sheet, just great. This is an H. Also, the tooth of the paper does affect how light or dark your pencil marks come off. This happens to be Strathmore drawing paper, and it has a little bit more tooth to it than some of the ones that I use for my very special drawings. I use this more like a sketch pad. That was the H. Now I'm going to use the HB. Now you may have different pencils. Just try them out. Just do the same thing I'm doing. I'm left-handed, so my strokes all tend to go this direction. You may be right-handed. I can't do that. And yours would do better to go the other way. Feel what's the most comfortable. Now we're going to use a 2B. Now everybody recognizes, I think, a 2B. Let's see, this one. What is a 2B? Actually, I think this one is a 2B. Here we go. And the 2B, it's a little darker. This is the one that you use in school. This is that yellow pencil that you've always had around. And this is softer. It glides on the paper a little bit. And depending on the pressure that I use, it can get quite dark. Watch. So again, find out what your pencil will do. Let's try another one here. 4B. Ooh, you can tell that's a lot softer. Let me come back and do it again halfway down just to see the value difference, dark to light. And then I have a 6B. And every pencil company is going to feel a little different also. So before you use your pencils, try them out.